So today we're back out trail building. We're going to be working on the pump track. It's needed quite a bit of work for a while, just with this third or fourth lockdown that we're in, whatever. Now even more people riding it, and it's been pretty stinking weather recently with the snow and everything. So we're going to go over, mainly work on the first berm today, because it's kind of quite an essential part of the track, as it's the first corner. It's the one thing that you've got to have your speed, because you can't really pedal much after it, so it's kind of a key element. So some of you might have noticed that I try to upload every single Thursday, but with the weather, the snow, I just wasn't making the videos very exciting, because it's just been so horrible to ride in that I didn't see the point in uploading a video just to make a deadline when it wasn't going to be one that I'd be proud of or interesting to watch. So I did miss last week, but we're back. I'll probably just upload this one anyway, but berms are looking pretty fresh. Some of you might follow my Instagram, and I actually redid most of these, extended them a bit, just freshened them up, because they were just such a mess and very much in need of it, and actually looking pretty good. The whole track, to be honest, is looking pretty fresh, which is good. It's the only good thing about the snow is that it tends to reshape everything, albeit it takes a lot of dirt with it when doing so, and you got to replenish that dirt. All the berms are looking so small but looking fresh, so we'll, oh, I can watch where I'm going. Track's looking super good, no holes, no wet patches, which is weird on the main track, and this is actually looking pretty good. You can actually see braking bumps and stuff in it where people are braking here, here and here, so we'll fill them in and see what else we get up to. So that's the berm complete. It's looking super cool. Really nice to get back into some decent weather. It's really came out pretty perfect. Good angles and everything, so hope you enjoyed the building video, and catch you in the next one.